Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Made Easy. I have come with this video. I'll be taking the poem which is for grade 10, Madhur Madhur Mere Deepak Jal, written by Mahadevi Verma. Okay, this poem's vyakya or explanations will be done in English by with different stanzas, okay, separately. So let's move on to the vyakya. First stanza. मधुर मधुर मेरे दीपक जल, युग युग प्रतिदिन प्रतिक्षण प्रतिपल प्रियतम का पथ आलोकित कर. Now this poem, Madhur Madhur Mere Deepak Jal. Deepak, you know what it is? It's a candle which lights on which we burn lights, and these candles are said to be here. According to Mahadevi Verma, she's saying the Deepak is like here it stands for love towards God. Okay, her love towards God is being shown here with the word Deepak over here. So in this stanza, Madhur Madhur Mere Deepak Jal, she's saying to Deepak that please, you continue burning Madhur Madhur in a very sweet manner. Continue burning. Yug Yug Pratidin, for yugon tak, okay, for that till for years and years. Pratidin, every day. Pratikshan, every pratikshan, pratipal, everything same. Each and every second, you keep burning. Priyatam ka path alokit kar. Here Priyatam is God. Path means rasta or path. So the path of God, please make it alokit. Alokit means prakashit or to enlighten. Okay, to put light on the path of God, path towards God. So here Mahadevi Verma is saying to Deepak that you continue burning in such a manner that your light falls on the path towards God, so that people can take benefit out of it. They can see the path towards God. They can also attain the path towards God. For that, please continue burning each and every second, each and every day. That is what is said in this poem. Let's see the vyakya so that it becomes more clear. कवयित्री कहती है कि मेरे मन के दीपक, ओके, ईश्वर के प्रति आस्था, एज आई सेड द लव टुवर्ड्स गॉड, तो मधुरता और कोमलता से जलता जा. मधुरता स्वीटली, कोमलता सॉफ्टली, जलता जा, कीप बर्निंग. और हर पल, हर घड़ी, हर दिन, युगों युगों तक, as I said, each and every second, each and every day, for years and years. मेरे आराध्य अथवा ईश्वर का या ज्ञान का रास्ता प्रकाशित करता जा, अर्थात ईश्वर में आस्था बनी रहे. सो द पाथ ऑफ गॉड, प्लीज मेक इट प्रकाशित, प्लीज एनलाइटन इट. सो द पाथ ऑफ गॉड इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू नॉलेज. ओके, द गॉड ऑल्सो स्टैंड्स फॉर नॉलेज हियर, ज्ञान. सो प्लीज दैट path towards God or towards knowledge, enlighten them. Okay, so that is said in this first stanza. Let's move on to the next next stanza. सौरभ फैला विपुल धूप बन, मृदुल मोम सा घुल रे मृदु तन, दे प्रकाश का सिंधु अपरिमित, तेरे जीवन का अणु गल गल, पुलक पुलक मेरे दीपक जल. सौरभ means fragrance, sugandh. Fela vipul dhoop ban. Okay, so the Mahadevi Verma is again asking Deepak to burn like saurabh giving. Saurabh means fragrance giving. Dhoop means actually sun, or here we can also say as agarbatti. You know what is agarbatti, right? Agarbattis are fragrance giving substances. When you lighten them, especially for worshipping activities and all, people use them. So these agarbattis gives a lot of nice fragrance in different flavors. So here Mahadevi Verma is asking Deepak to burn in such a manner and give fragrance like agarbattis. Mridul mom sa ghulre. Mridul, soft. Mom, like a candle, like a wax. Okay, ghulre, melt. Mridutan, you please melt your body. Okay, the candle melts its body in order to give light, right? So similarly, here Mahadevi Verma is saying that you keep burning even though by melting your body. That means in love of God, according to Mahadevi Verma, you must be ready to sacrifice your body. Okay, de prakash ka sindhu aparimit. Okay, prakash, light, aparimit means unlimited light. You keep burning and give light. Tere जीवन का अणु गल गल, पुलक पुलक मेरे दीपक जल. Pulak pulak means making people feel very excited. Okay, in Hindi if we say it's romanch. Okay, so in that manner you have to keep burning. And anu galgal, anu means each and every portion of your light. Okay, whatever the small dots kind of light that the fire that burns out of this when you light a fire, there are few dots, or you can say spots of light that actually sparks out, right? So each and every spark, or the each and every part of your light that is burning, you continue it. Even though your body is melting, you continue it, so that people become excited in the love of God. व्याख्या, कवयित्री कहती है कि मेरे मन के दीपक, तू अपनी सुगंध को अर्थात अपनी अच्छाई को इस तरह फैला जैसे एक धूप या अगरबत्ती अपनी खुशबू को फैलाता है. सो यू प्लीज स्प्रेड, फैलाना मीन्स टू स्प्रेड योर लाइट इन सच अ मैनर लाइक अगरबत्ती स्प्रेड्स इट्स फ्रेग्रेंस, यू ऑल्सो स्प्रेड लाइट. अपने स्वच्छ शरीर के सहारे अपनी कोमल मोम को इस तरह से पिघला दे कि तेरे प्रकाश की कोई सीमा ही ना रहे. यू कीप गिविंग लाइट इन सच अ मैनर दैट योर लाइट हैज़ नो लिमिट, सीमा. और इस तरह जल की तेरे शरीर का एक एक अणु उसमें समाकर प्रकाश को फैलाए. अर्थात कहने का तात्पर्य यह है कि अज्ञान का अंधेरा बहुत गहरा होता है. अज्ञान, okay, when you don't have knowledge about anything, that is अज्ञान. That is very deep. Okay, when you don't know about something, it is that thing is very deep. Okay, so in order to remove that darkness of knowing nothing, okay, that darkness has to be removed. For that, each and every spark of your light should gather together and burn even more in order to remove that darkness, okay, of not having any knowledge. रिमूव दैट डार्कनेस एंड लेट द लाइट ऑफ नॉलेज कम. अतः इसे दूर करने के लिए तन मन दोनों निछावर करने होते हैं. सो in order to remove this darkness, you have to sacrifice, निछावर, your तन मन, your body and your mind. कवयित्री कहती हैं कि मेरे मन के दीप तू सबको रोमांचित करता हुआ जलता जा. Make people even more excited and keep burning. नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा. सारे शीतल कोमल नूतन मांग रहे तुझसे ज्वाला कण, विश्व शलभ सिर धुन कहता मैं, हाय न जल पाया तुझ में मिल, सिहर सिहर मेरे दीपक जल. So here सारे शीतल, okay, the all the ठंडे, शीतल means very cold, कोमल very soft, नूतन very new. So all those new people that come into the world, soft and peaceful people, happy people with cold heart, not that cold heart, but very happy, peaceful people, and all the new people. What are they asking? Mang rahe tujhse ज्वाला कर. They are all asking for your light. Vishwa Shalabh. Vishwa Shalabh means, Shalabh actually here comes for the insects that, when you switch on light, you can see some insects that comes and gathers around the light, right? That same insects are here being depicted with the word shalab. So but actually that shalab is not literally those insects, but the human beings of this world. Okay, Vishwa world. So the human beings of this world, sir dhun kehta मैं, they are saying what? Restlessly, what? Hi na jal paya तुझ में मिल. I couldn't join you. Okay, to the Deepak, they are saying, I couldn't join your light. Sihar, sihar, mere Deepak jal. So you keep burning. Sihar, sihar. Sihar, sihar means trembling. Okay, kaapte hue. Trembling. You tremble and keep burning. Don't stop. Because each and every newborns or each and every people in this world, they require your light. Let's see the Vyakhya. कवयित्री कहती है कि मेरे मन के दीपक तो इस तरह से जल की सभी ठंडे मुलायम और नए तुझसे तेरी आग के कुछ कण मांगे. अर्थात सभी जिसे भी ज्ञान की ज़रूरत हो वो तेरे पास आए. दोज हु नीड नॉलेज दे कम टूवर्ड्स यू, सो यू प्लीज़ कीप बर्निंग. तू उन्हें ऐसा प्रकाश दे या ऐसा ज्ञान दे. यू गिव देम सच अ लाइट और नॉलेज. हियर लाइट और नॉलेज इज सेम, कि वो कुछ भी कर गुजरने के लिए तैयार है. सो दैट दे आर रेडी टू गेट योर नॉलेज इन एनी मैनर. दे आर रेडी फॉर दैट इन एनी वे. पतंगे पछताते हुए कहें. पतंगे हियर सेम थिंग, शलभ, दोज इंसेक्ट्स एज आई सेड, बट हियर दे आर ह्यूमन बींग्स. पछताते हुए कहे. ओके, दे फील गिल्टी एंड दे स्टार्ट सेइंग, तेरी आग में समा कर क्यों नहीं जले. अर्थात सांसारिक लोग भी तेरी तरह बनना चाहें. अर्थात ज्ञान इतना होना चाहिए कि सबके काम आ सके और कोई उसमें जलकर भस्म ना हो जाए. सो दे ऑल दोज पीपल इन दिस वर्ल्ड, दे शुड से दैट लाइट, वी नीड यू. ओके, वी नीड टू ऑल्सो burn with you. Okay, burn with you in the sense, the fire should be that much, that how much people require fire or knowledge. It shouldn't be it shouldn't be over than that, above that. Okay, that they people become bhasma ashes, burn and become ashes. They don't want to burn and become ashes. They just need light or knowledge. इसलिए कवित्री कहती हैं कि दीपक तू कांपते हुए, there's a mistake, there's no आ की मात्रा, इस तरह जल की तेरा प्रभाव सब पर पड़े, अर्थात सब अपनी ज़रूरत और क्षमता के हिसाब से प्रकाश या ज्ञान ले सके. You should burn in such a manner, trembling or in whatever manner, but don't stop, so that people take how much ever knowledge or light they need. लास्ट स्टैंजा. असंख्यक स्नेहहीन नित कितने दीपक, जलमय सागर का उर जलता, विद्युत ले घिरता है बादल, विहस विहस मेरे दीपक जल. सो हियर असंख्यक इन न्यूमेरिक, स्नेहहीन विदाउट एनी लव, kitne deepak. Okay, there are many innumeric, deepak or light that is burning without any love in it. Now, which are those deepak? Let's see. Jal mein sagar ka ur jalta. One actually here is the star. Okay, stars, what do the stars do? They are innumeric, okay, and they have light, but they don't give light. Okay, they take light, right, but they don't give light. So that is one star who have light, but they're not giving it to anyone, they're not sharing it to anyone. Next is jal mai sagar. Sagar means sea, which is filled with water. Ka ur jalta. Okay, its heart, ur means heart, is burning. Literally, the sea's heart is not burning. It means that sea's heart is burning in the sense it has a lot of water in it, but that water is of no use. Right? Water everywhere, not a drop to drink. Right? That is not being written here. I'm just saying that, just like in the sea is filled with water, but it is of no use. As I said about star. Vidyut le ghirta hai badal. But what does a cloud do? Badal. It takes the thunder, okay, lightning, and what does it give on the land? It gives rain. Okay, Vidyut. Okay, with the lightning, it gives us rain. Vihas vihas mere Deepak Jal. So you please continue burning, okay, and share your light. Just like clouds are giving us rain, you also share your light and knowledge to everybody. Don't become like those stars or like those sea, okay, which is of not use to anybody. Let's see the व्याख्या. कवयित्री कहती है कि आकाश में जलते हुए अनेक तारे तो हैं, there are innumeric stars, परंतु उनमें दीपक की तरह प्रेम नहीं है. But they don't have love like दीपक, क्योंकि उनके, this is not that any person दीपक, okay, क्योंकि उनके पास प्रकाश तो है परंतु वे दुनिया को प्रकाशित नहीं कर सकते. दे हैव लाइट बट दे कैन नॉट एनलाइटन द वर्ल्ड. वहीं दूसरी ओर जल से भरा सागर अपने हृदय को जलाता रहता है, क्योंकि उसके पास इतना पानी होने के बावजूद भी वह पानी किसी के काम का नहीं है. इट इज़ नॉट ऑफ एनी यूज, द वाटर फिल्ड इन सी. और बादल बिजली की सहायता से पूरी दुनिया पर बारिश करती है. जैसे अबाउट द क्लाउड. उसी तरह कवयित्री कहती है कि मेरे मन के दीपक, तू भी अपनी नहीं दूसरों की भलाई करता जा. सिमिलरली इट इज सेइंग दीपक दैट यू ऑल्सो do not think about yourself but think about others and keep enlightening yourself. Okay, that's the end of the poem. I hope it was clear. Thank you for watching my video. This was not there for present tense. There is no present tense as well. The boards are cancelled. This is for the coming 10th. It was deleted, but all these deleted, boring poems and chapters have included again, so I'm taking them now. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.